If you have any languages, make sure that you're actually proficient if you say you're proficient in a language. Do not put it on there just to have something on there, because I've seen it. Skills is typically going to be some type of computer skills. If you are a computer science or computer programming major, this would be your specific programming languages that you know. For accounting majors, this might be specific accounting software. For marketing majors, this might be specific marketing, advertising, social media types of software that you have, that you're familiar with. Okay. So it's good. This is going to be a really dependent on major and what type of job you're applying for. And then professional development, you can kind of see here, activities and honors. So clubs, offices that you've held in those clubs, so on and so forth. References is typically a big question. Don't include them. Do not include references on your resume. If the company you are applying to wants your references, they will ask, but to include them here is really just a waste of space. Okay. When they request a set of references from you, what you would do is have your heading up here exactly the same with your name and maybe phone and email here. And then you would list your references and have a separate page that you would only provide when they ask for it. I will also note here that when you write your cover letter, which we're not going to talk about in this particular video, that you will also use the same heading that is on your resume. It's on your references page. Then it will also be on your cover letter. So everything matches and looks very professional. Okay, so that's really the basics of creating your resume. It is a lot. It is a process. Your resume will never be finished. It will just be finished enough for that job. You may find that you are actually going to need to change some things depending on the jobs that you're applying for. If there's maybe things in different industries or different roles that you want to highlight different things on your resume, you may have 2 or 3 or more different versions of your resume if necessary. But for now, we're just going to create a standard resume that you can edit and change and improve as you do more things, as you join more clubs, as you've done more activities, as you volunteered for more things, as you got an internship, and so on and so forth. A couple of other things I just want to note before I show you the next PDF, the next document on here. Please do not use a template from Microsoft Word or Pages or whatever you use. Okay, it is not that the templates don't look great. They do the first time. But number one, lots of people use them. And so you end up looking like everyone else and you just blend in with the rest of the pack. And number two, as time moves on and you want to change things and add things and edit things, the way those templates work with all the tables, it gets complicated and it becomes a very just messy and burdensome to update over time. So just create it in a standard Word document that you have created, okay?